So try to make all of them a little bit different. So you can be very, very artistic. Of course, you can do it with your children, and you can ask them to make the decoration. Of course, you can use a syringe to decorate, so you don't necessarily need to make it with a spoon. Okay, I think that should do. Lovely. Okay, and now let's put it in the oven. Okay, so let's put it into your preheated oven and put it on number 2 or centigrade number 150. And let's wait for about 15 minutes. Okay, let's check it. Oh, wow. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. You can start to press it a little bit. Oh, that seems to be perfect. It shouldn't be too hard, but shouldn't be too soft either. So it's just light and creamy. Okay, now let's take the pieces out. Okay. Right. Well, some of the decoration melted, but it should be